CEO Mastercard confirmed all Cardano holders will get rich after that.
Recently, the world's attention has been actively focused on cryptocurrencies. Many large investors actively invest their funds in various crypto projects only because they can bring considerable income. Such a project is Cardano. Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. Do you think the analysts are right about Cardano? Write the answers in the comments.
Giving away 500 Cardano at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive Cardano coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word Cardano, watch the video to the end to like and subscribe. Mastercard will allow all banks and retail outlets participating in its payment network to integrate cryptocurrencies into their products, CNBC reports, citing sources. According to the TV channel, the company is preparing to make a public statement about this. The backed cryptocurrency company will be engaged in connecting players to cryptocurrency services from the technical side. Top managers of two companies whose names the channel does not disclose told CNBC. Backed shares started to rise sharply after the CNBC report. By 1850 Moscow time, they had risen by more than 70% to $15 per paper, according to the New York Stock Exchange. At the peak of the day, backed shares rose to $17, which is almost 94% more than at the close of trading on October 22. Backed began trading on the stock exchange as an independent company only last week, separating from the Intercontinental Exchange by merging with an already public company. Banks, fintech companies and merchants from among Mastercard's partners will be able to provide customers with the opportunity to buy, sell or store cryptocurrency through integration with Backed. Mastercard Executive Vice President Sherry Haymond is quoted by CNBC. According to her, Mastercard was asked about this opportunity by its partners. This will allow banks to retain customers on their platforms, Haymond explained. In addition, they will be able to offer cashback in bitcoins, and retail outlets and restaurants, loyalty programs with bitcoins instead of bonuses, writes CNBC with reference to Backed CEO Gavin Michael. Last week, the value of Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency, exceeded $66,000 for the first time. The cryptocurrency has updated the price record of more than $64,000 set in April. Bitcoin has risen in price thanks to the optimism of investors who believed in the prospects of digital assets after the launch of the first exchange-traded fund in the United States investing in Bitcoin futures, writes Bloomberg. Mastercard is one of the largest payment networks in the world along with Visa. The company has connections with more than 20,000 financial organizations around the world. 2.8 billion payment system cards are in circulation, CNBC cites the company's own data. Back in February, Mastercard announced that it was noticing cryptocurrency purchases using its payment system cards. At the same time, the company announced that it will add support for several cryptocurrencies to its system. Cardano has been going through quite a lot of noise lately, as most crypto assets continue to fluctuate. Over the past 7 days, the Cardano price has increased by about 10%. This price spike is closely related to SundaySwap's earlier announcement that it would launch on the main network today. The announcement of SundaySwap was met with great excitement in the Cardano community. Luke Martin, a crypto trader and analyst, noted that Cardano is one of the most interesting alternatives to Ethereum. However, he has one criticism of ice cream. He noted that Cardano probably lost the ball among other L1s by following the DeFi approach that SundaySwap used to optimize lag, while other L1s optimize scalability and speed. Unlike other L1s that optimize speed and scalability through decentralization, Cardano DeFi applications are trying something completely new, optimizing lag, Martin said. However, he admits that the market doesn't seem to mind the compromise, as the Cardano price has risen by 20% since the announcement of SundaySwap. In his opinion, this market reaction seems to indicate that the market deviated further and further from the hypothesis of efficient markets. The main part of Martin's criticism is related to a post on the SundaySwap blog, in which he informed his potential users and the crypto community about what to expect in the first days of the launch of the automatic market maker DX. In an article titled Waiting, Overloading and Launching Mainnet, the SundaySwap team stated that in the first few weeks after launch, they expected transactions to overflow the Cardano blockchain, which would lead to an accumulation of transactions that could take several days to complete. However, the message assured that this situation will not be permanent, because as the hype around the launch of Trade Union subsides, everything should work smoothly. But this situation is not expected to last long, the post assured. As a sign of support for SundaySwap, DripDrops, another Cardano-based platform, announced that it would not conduct intensive transactions on the day of the launch of SundaySwap. While network congestion is expected during periods of high network activity, the Cardano blockchain roadmap plans to introduce scalability features that will allow this problem to become a thing of the past. This year, the network plans to carefully adjust its parameters to speed up transactions, as well as implement a Layer 2 scaling solution called Hydra. Even before the advent of scaling solutions, Cardano supporters noted that at the moment Cardano turned out to be more reliable than Ethereum in terms of fees, as well as processing more transactions than Ethereum. JP Morgan has put forward the issue of high gas fees in Ethereum as a reason why it may end up losing out to competitors like Solana and Cardano. These other projects charge significantly lower transaction fees than Ethereum, which is one of the main advantages for investors. Because of this, it is increasingly losing users on other platforms who have found that they can perform DeFi actions for a much lower fee. In a recent research note, JP Morgan analyst Nikolaos Panagurtsoglou explained that the high fees associated with the use of the Ethereum blockchain have some serious drawbacks for the network. Networks with the possibility of smart contracts are in a state of, in fact, an arms race to become the leading platform for decentralized financing. Although Ethereum is still in the lead, its high gas fees continue to constrain the network. This led to the transition to other blockchains for services such as NFT minting, the cost of which on Ethereum can reach $300. If the loss of the share of NFT becomes more stable in 2022, it will become a serious problem for the evaluation of Ethereum, Panagurtsoglou warned. The live Cardano price today is $1.13 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $1,638 million. We update our Cardano to USD price in real time. Cardano is down 3.8% in the last 24 hours. Do you think Cardano will be able to surpass Bitcoin? Write your answers in the comments. For today, I say goodbye to you. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.